As the resumed resident doctor strike enters its third day, the Minister for Health, Dr. Olorunnibe Mamora, has appealed to the resident doctors in the country to shelve their renewed strike. He urged the doctors to return to the negotiating table and dialogue in order to save the many lives that hang in the balance due to the current strike. Senator Mamora made a plea during the annual general meeting and scientific conference of the Nigerian Medical Association of the Federal Capital Territory. The Association of Resident Doctors embarked on an indefinite strike on Monday after shelving a previous strike for more than 3 months to allow for government's fulfillment of its promises on issues affecting the welfare of its members. This renewed strike comes amidst rising COVID-19 cases due to a third wave of the pandemic and also a cholera outbreak.
It's an opportunity for me to appeal to doctors who are currently on strike. My appeal is that they return to the negotiating table so that whatever issues that are outstanding can be sorted out. That is my passionate appeal to all our colleagues. Even in situation of war, the combatants at the end of the day, they still come to the round table for amicable resolution of issues. And that's my appeal to all our colleagues throughout the country who are currently engaged in strike action for the benefit of our people.
Any day that there's a strike, even one day, there are people who could have been cared for who did not get the care. It means that for every day elapsed, there are individuals that are going to their grave that could have had a better opportunity to live. So I really also join my voice to plead and to ask, whatever it takes, let's just hang on a bit and have further discussions.
In the same vein, Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki has appealed to the striking resident doctors to return to work. Governor Obaseki made the call when he received members of Edo State Branch of the Nigerian Medical Association at the Government House, Benin City. The governor appealed to the resident doctors to quit their strike, emphasizing that it is not in the interest of citizens because the country is battling with a third wave of the coronavirus made worse by the highly transmissible Delta variant. He also called for collaboration with the NMA in the fight against the virus, as well as their support in sensitizing the citizens of the importance of getting vaccinated.
It's just really unfortunate and sad that resident doctors are on strike. I mean, it's the worst time for this sort of thing to happen. Because we're approaching a possible catastrophe. Possible medical catastrophe. Because once you see what has happened in places like India, in Southern Africa, Botswana, and now what is going on in Senegal with the third wave, the Delta variant, it should give everybody cause for concern.
Edo NMA is fully in support of the transformation agenda, and we came to help you see it through so that our people can enjoy quality healthcare in Edo State. And in doing that, sir, we promise to also to be able to make our inputs whenever we are called upon. Inputs that are positive, inputs that are that will transform your agenda.